Plug the electric hydraulic lacer in prior to use. Insert the clipper hooks into the hook retainer. Be sure to insert the hooks as close to the middle of the hook retainer as possible. If the hooks don't seat properly, the hook retainer is likely incompatible and the correct face strip must be used. Note: if the jaws are too close, the hooks may not sit low enough for the gauge pin to slide through the loop of the hooks. Insert the gauge pin into the hook retainer. When lacing belt widths less than 3/4 of the capacity width of the lacer, place pieces of belt at both ends of the lacer. Remove the protective paper from the hooks. Insert the belt between the fastener points and flush onto the hook retainer. Hold the belt as close to vertical as possible and depress the foot pedal until the jaws close and stop. Let up on the pedal to open the jaws back up. Check that the hooks have seated and clinched properly in the belt. If not completely clinched into the belt, adjust the compression of the EH lacer by turning the adjusting lever clockwise 1/4 to a 1/2 turn. Note: look at the front and back of your belt to confirm the hooks have seated properly. Remove the gauge pin from the face strip. Remove the belt and inspect your work